Uprisers, welcome back to my channel. As you may have seen, we've been throwing a ton of different events since we officially launched our American Made campaign back in May. So I want to talk a little bit about how it helps grow our company. So since we launched back in May, we've had various different opportunities. Our first major pop-up event was with Hotel Indigo in downtown LA, and we were able to showcase our products and be present for 2 weeks, which was an awesome opportunity. And not only were we able to allow people to touch and feel our fabrics and see like the high quality that we offer, it was also great to meet a lot of these people who we've been engaging via social media and see them in person. I think it's really important. A trend that I'm seeing throughout all of these different events is that people want to engage with people behind the brand. So, you know, not only do I meet these people, but also my videographer, my photographers, my interns. I think it creates that community that I've always wanted to foster, which is important for the brand and the consumers themselves. And it definitely helps put a face to the brand. Other than that, I think it's really important to talk about the internal like struggles and success that like we've been seeing, and being as transparent as possible when we're talking about Uprising. So having a digital presence is awesome because you are technically able to reach a lot more people with less effort per se, and social media, and especially Instagram, is such a great tool for any brand who's just starting out. But a lot of the information can get lost. So when you are having a conversation with someone, you are able to tell the story behind Uprising more and talk about the American Made campaign and how that has generated some traction for us. Different movements such as Girls Supporting Girls and the female empowerment. It really allows us to focus on the different aspects of Uprising and cater it to the people that we're talking to. There was a really good article that I was just reading. I think it was on Entrepreneur, or maybe it was Forbes. These pop-up experiences and events are to foster a strong impression about the brand for these customers. So whether or not that they purchase something, it's more about let's build this kick-ass event and something that's memorable so that they will remember that for like months to come. Or if they happen to see an ad about Uprising, you know, or someone else is wearing it in the middle of the street but they might not know them, they'll be like, oh wow, like I know about Uprising. I went to their really cool event a few months back. So it's more about building that brand awareness, which is still important, and how we can separate ourselves from the million other brands that are popping up like every single day, right? So it's really important to have a strong internal team with really great personality, people who know how to talk to all different types of customers. It's a great way to showcase our products and have good relationships with people. So a lot of these opportunities have popped up through relationships that I've built over the years. And one, I'm very much involved in the Japanese American community here in Los Angeles, and so they have been the biggest supporters behind Uprising. So any different opportunities that they see or hear about or they are involved with, they're like, Michelle, we want you to be a part of this. It will be a really great opportunity to touch a different like demographic, right? So that has been really great. There's a lot of outreach that I do. So every week I want to say I send out about 100 emails to kind of pitch an idea of like how I can collaborate with different brands, different companies, different venues. So a lot of the different meetings that I have may not foster an event right away, but they will keep you in mind, and hopefully like the next cool thing that they're doing, they would include us. And some of the things that have flourished with us is with Entity Mag, we had a female empowerment and a Love Yourself Summit event. There's a lot of other things that are in the works right now for the next few months, so be sure to stay tuned for that. If you are looking to throw events for your own company and your brand, seriously, this is just so distracting. If you are looking to throw events for your company, your brand, some of the action items that I've talked about and want to summarize is: one, look into the community that you're already involved with. These relationships that you've already built for years, months, whatever it may be, they're going to be your biggest supporters and where you should start from. You know, they might have friends, family that they can connect you with, and you start a conversation that way. while that is happening, I think it's also important to do outreach. So who are the different people that you know, your dream like collaboration or venue that you want to be working with, and schedule out a certain amount of time every week to send out these emails, and they have to be personalized. You know, you can't just copy and paste the same message over and over again. It's really important to cater to what their needs are. Like, why would they want to be working with you? What is their benefit? Keep on plugging away and everything will work out. Sorry for all of the noise if that has been distracting. We are outside of our factory right now. But anyways, we are heading out to Hotel Indigo, their rooftop. They're having a pool party for Labor Day weekend, and I will see you there.
Perfect.
Thank you everyone for coming. And happy Labor Day.
Perfect.
I think it's going okay. It's Labor Day weekend. We just want to have a good time, relax, and obviously support Uprising. And yeah, I think it's going great.
So honestly, like, thanks to Randy, thanks to Kevin. He secretly likes attention. But thanks to both of them, they're so supportive of Uprising. This is why we're here today. I have no idea what I'm supposed to say at all times, so Roland, my good friend, is gonna show me how it's done to be on the vlog.
This is how you do it, all right? All right, Michelle? All right, you guys. So we're mid-blast through the Uprising event. You see it's popping. We selling merch. They want the Pima cotton on their body, so we supply them with the Pima cotton and a pool so they can dry off in the cotton and vice versa. This is Labor Day, and we ain't laboring, we playing.
Was Roland trying to be funny? Because I'm not laughing right here. So anyways, we're here at Hotel Indigo rooftop pool party. There's some really good vibes. It's getting a little rowdy. Because what time is it?
It's now 5:25.
5:25.
You know?
Yeah, so...
But a little rowdy is good, you know? As long as you're in an uprising, you can play hard and work hard, you know what I mean?
Roland's the official brand ambassador for Uprising, so he's gonna say nothing but good things.
Nothing but good things. Because all the bad stuff, we already got rid of that. We fucked up a lot. But
And then-
that is to get you the perfect quality. So that's
And
what we are
then
now.
me, Casey, she's our newest intern. She's doing a really good job today. This is her first day, like, at an event, and she's fucking killing it. She's killing it.
Yeah, she's not gonna get fired yet.
No, not yet. Never. So everything is going really well so far. I wasn't expecting this many people to come out, but I'm really excited that it's been a really good turnout. And overall, it's been a really great Labor Day weekend. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week. This is supposed to be, wait, hold on. This is supposed to be the coconut LaCroix can.